everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a little unboxing for you. It's an I Heart Revolution unboxing. It's one of their new gift sets. So I've got the Watermelon Kisses gift set, so it's a lip care set. I'm really excited about this. I do really love the I Heart Revolution lip care sets, so I've got a couple of the lip scrubs over here, which I'm obsessed with. I've got the chocolate one and I think I've got a watermelon one as well. When I saw this, I was so excited by it. I had a voucher as well, so I think it came to about £4.50, which was amazing. So I'm going to show you what's in the I Heart Revolution Watermelon Kisses gift set. This is the box up close. As you can see, beautiful packaging as expected from I Heart Revolution. You've got the tasty watermelon products on the front there. Absolutely adore the lids on the lip glosses. They are so cute. And then you've got the products on the side. So we've got some lip glosses there, and then we've got the lip care kits there as well. So there's a lip scrub and I think a lip mask in there as well. But it's a beautiful little set. Would make an amazing present for somebody, so we're going to open it now. Inside the box it looks like this, so the products are protected and wrapped up in a little packaging there, and I'm going to take it out. A lot of the I Heart Revolution stuff does come with this packaging. It's paper, but it's very padded, which I think is a very clever way of doing it. Inside the box you've got 4 little watermelon themed lip care products. You've got a scrub and a mask over here in the little pots, and then you've got some lip glosses here, so we're going to look at them now. They do all come with the packaging on that just shows you that it's not been opened and it's sealed. So I'm just going to take these off. The first product I'm going to look at is the clear watermelon lip gloss. It says it's oil infused, and I'm just going to show you up close the packaging because it is so cute. You've got the watermelon style lid there, and you've got the pips and everything on the base of the lip gloss. I just think it's so cute, and I Heart Revolution's attention to detail is just out of this world. The consistency of the lip glosses from I Heart Revolution are some of my favourites. They are not sticky, they're not tacky, anything like that. They just feel really nice. And this one is just a clear one, and it applies like that. Hopefully you can see a little bit if it focuses, but you probably won't because it's clear. I'm a genius. We can't see it, but it smells amazing. So the consistency of it, hopefully you can see it on the little applicator there. You can't see a thing. This is funny. Hopefully I can get it in some form of light where you can see it reflecting down there a little bit. So it's not sticky, it's just a really good consistency there, and you can tell it would be very moisturising when it goes on your lips as well. And sometimes we just want a clear lip gloss, so this one is going straight in my work bag. Next we'll go for one of the pots. So we've got a lip mask here. I'll show you the lid, really sweet. That's the right way around. Tasty watermelon. So the tasty range from I Heart Revolution is very well spoke after, and the attention to detail is so cute. You've got a lovely red colour which is really stunning, so I'm gonna sniff it now and just see what the scent's like. Watermelon straight away. It's kind of like the candy watermelon, I'd say. It's so nice. Inside it's just like a sort of a soft lip balm. Once you start touching it, it warms up and it activates. As you can see, I've got quite a lot of pigment on there from this product which is going to be quite nice to use actually. I think I really do like the fact that it's got pigment in as well, because I think it's really wearable, and the colour on it is really nice as well, and it feels so moisturising. It smells amazing. That's a little lip mask. The next one I'm going to look at is the other lip gloss in the set. So it's a little pink one. I'll show you the packaging up close, and it's just got a little pink tint to it which is really nice. I feel like it matches the inside of a watermelon really well, and I actually love this red detail here. I think the colour theme for this is so pretty. And then inside we've just got the little applicator. You can see the colour on there already. It's quite pigmented, looking a nice colour of pink, and I'm just gonna swatch it over here so you can see. It's coming off as a very pale pink. I'm not sure if it's picking up on camera very well, but it is definitely visible in real life. You can see the little pink sort of tint there, but I feel like this one would be really nice to wear daily as well. And again, they just smell amazing. I think I do have one of these, but it's a slightly darker colour. I do. So this is another watermelon one that I've got because I did love the watermelon range so much. This is the one that I had before, so it's a slight redder crimson-y colour, and the one we've got in this gift set is a pink colour, so I'm really happy to have that. Put you back in your house. Oh, he wants to move out. Don't know where you were, but you can stay there. The last one in the set is the lip scrub itself. So the pot is the same as the lip mask. They go really well together. And then you've got the little lip scrub title on the front there. And I don't know if I showed you the top of the lid before, but it looks really nice. And then inside you've got the little cap, which I forgot about. Just goes on there to protect it, and then you've got the scrub inside. This is quite a nice scrub. I've used the chocolate one and I've had the watermelon one before, and it is quite a good consistency. I feel like my lips after using it were so much softer. They just felt a lot nicer, and using a lip scrub is really good if you want to put lip gloss or lipstick on, just because it makes your skin your lip skin it makes them a lot smoother, and it makes the lipstick apply a lot better. So I really love that, and you can see there the pigment on it is really nice. But yeah, I love it, and it smells just like the watermelon sweets. You can actually eat lip scrubs, so it does actually taste like watermelon. It also tastes like a crushed up lipstick. That's the vibe I'm getting. I don't need to eat it all, do I? That was the little lip scrub, and those were the products in the Watermelon Kisses I Heart Revolution gift set. I think this gift set would make a lovely present for somebody who loves I Heart Revolution or just wants a little summery present. I just think this would be really nice, and the packaging, again, to die for. It's so sweet, and I just think this is a really good introduction to I Heart Revolution. If you're wanting to introduce your friends to it, this would make a really good present, so I'm very happy I got hold of it. Just a little sneak preview. I have actually got 2 more gift sets for My Heart Revolution. I've got these 2. So if you want to see the Peach Party and Shimmering Hearts gift sets, then please subscribe to this channel because they'll be going up soon. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. And if you want to see more, you can follow me on Instagram. That's at ZoeyGlitter, Zoey with a Y. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. I'll see you soon. Bye!